Namaste friends, our today's topic is MRI brain P2T protocol. You can see here we have to acquire brain plane first, then we have taken small FOV of pituitary gland. You can see here field of view, you can see here 130 by 130 millimeter. Slice thickness is 2.35 millimeter and the gap is 0.24. Number of images is 15. So like this we have to take T2 sag, T1 sag, T2 coronal and T1 coronal. You can see pituitary gland here. So make sure your field of view should be 130 by 130 millimeter. After acquiring the sagittal, you have to plan for coronal. You can see we are planning for the coronal, T2 coronal and T1 coronal. Again, the field of view is 130 by 130 millimeter. Slice thickness 2.5 and the gap is 0. Number of slices is 15. You have to adjust your sag band also accordingly. And this is the planning of T2 coronal and T1 coronal. Although the T2 is already started, so I'm just showing you how to plan. Then you have to plan for dynamic scan. We are performing dynamic scan in coronal. So again you can see the FOV is little bigger than plane scan. For dynamic you can see here 140 by 140. Slice thickness is 2 millimeter. Number of slices is 11 and the gap is 0.3. Number of dynamics, here we are taking number of dynamics are 8. You can see the plan also in coronal as well as in axial. So make sure you are covering the whole pituitary while planning, and also take IV cannula before plane scan so that your area of interest should not be missing. And while taking IV, most of the patients move their head. Performing dynamic scan, you can see we are performing dynamic scan 1. We are performing dynamic scan 1 and brother is pushing the contrast now. This is dynamic scan 2 is going on, you can see here. Now dynamic scan 3 is going on. You can see here number of dynamics are 8 and the scan is going on. Contrast is being pushed completely. You can see image view. This is dynamic 1. See, the contrast is already reached in pituitary. It will take another 1.5 minutes to complete. So dynamic 8 scan is last scan is going on. You can see here dynamic scan 8 is going on. You can see the image. You can see we have completed dynamic scan. This is our pituitary gland. You can see contrast is changing the face. we are changing the phase accordingly. You can see it in multi window like this. Like this you can scroll right to left, and for slice you have to scroll up and down. After the completion of dynamic scan, you have to again take T1FS coronal, T1FS sagittal. You can see the planning of T1FS coronal and T1FS sagittal. This is T1FS sagittal. Post contrast T1FS axial, T1 3D, and flare post contrast. This is optional, so you can make a pause on it. This is planning of T1FS coronal. Thank you, friends.